In this short video, I'm going to give you the basics of a new kind of R Studio format that we're going to use for homeworks. It's called R Markdown, and once you get the hang of it, it's going to be a much easier way to pull together all of your code and your output along with your answers to questions than it would be to create it from scratch on a Word document and then have to cut and paste everything over from RStudio. So if you open up your project file in R, then you should see this file here, R Markdown test, and this is what the icon looks like for R Markdown files. So I'm going to click on this. It opens up an R Markdown file, which is a combination of text. These are headings with the double pound signs. And then in gray here, starting with 3 single quotes, ending with 3 single quotes, and then R in the middle. And then we have a command here. This is where the code will go. So this is a default R Markdown file. It just is going to demonstrate what it looks like. It's going to get some summary data, statistics, and it's going to do a little plot. Now, once you have typed this up and you want to see how it looks in Word or a PDF, then you will knit the file. And knitting sort of stitches everything together, and Word or Adobe will pop up with the resulting file. So I'm going to, you can just hit knit, or you can open up this menu here. I'm going to knit to a Word file. You're going to see some text down here that just says that it's doing it, and then the Word file will open up. So this is what it looks like, and it's a Word file just like any other at this point. You can continue to edit it. So we have some output here, a summary of 2 different variables, and then we have a nice little graph here. And so that's what this code does. But what you're going to do when there's a homework that you're going to work on is you are going to open up a template file, which is already in our Markdown format that I give you. So I'm going to go ahead and get that file, open that up. So here is the first homework assignment. And this is just some information about when it's due. This is actually not true. Is it true? Yeah, that's true. Okay, never mind. That's correct. And a little bit of information about the data set. And then in places where you need to run some R commands, I've already given you the format here. All you'll have to do is hit enter to create a space here, and then type in your R command. So for example, I'll just sort of give you a freebie here. The first thing that we need to do for this assignment is open the car and psych packages. So just do that. Use the library function to do that. And then to open the Wong data set, since it's within the car data package, we don't need to load it or anything. We're just going to go grab it using the data function. And then you will do the same thing to get descriptive statistics. Then I ask you to type in your answers to a couple questions here. You're going to get a correlation matrix, create a couple of scatter plots, and then run the regression. So these gray areas, once again, are where you'll enter in your R code. Whenever you are done, or you want to sort of test how it's going so far, once again, you'll just hit knit. If there are no errors, you'll get your file. We can see here that this successfully loaded the 2 packages as well as the data set, and I'm ready to go back and answer some of these questions and do some more of the work in R to get the results that we need. Once you're done, you can save your Word file, and then that's what you will upload to Brightspace when you're ready to submit your homework assignment. Of course, if you have questions, let me know, but hopefully this little video will get you started using R Markdown files.